Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HomeKit automation not working in 2026. Now, HomeKit automations need a home hub in order to run. So this can be an iPad, home pod, or Apple TV. So you need to first of all check the home application and make sure that your hub shows connected in it. Now, if your Apple TV or your HomePod is offline, the automations are not going to work. Now, if inside the application you have found that the hub is online, then you need to check your automation triggers. For that, you need to open your automations and review the triggers. If it is based on time, if it is based on location, sensors, then make sure that those conditions are correct. For example, the wrong time zone or incorrect location can stop the automations from running. For location-based automations, your iPhone must allow the location access as well. For that, you can just simply go to the settings and then you can enable the location services for the home application. Now, if any of the devices involved in the automation is offline, the automation will fail. So, if you need to make sure that the smart devices are connected and responding in the home application. If a device shows no response, you just have to fix that first. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.